Can you turn off replay on Snapchat? So basically, Snapchat does not allow you to fully turn off or disable the replay feature. It's built into the app's core functionality, so you can't block users from replaying snaps or stories once they have been viewed. However, you can control who sees your snaps and stories through privacy settings as well. So, firstly, in order to limit your replay, all you have to do is after you click a snap, then tap on the timer icon in the bottom right corner. Now, here put your timer to 1 second and simply send it to your friends. You can also limit the replays. But if you are worried about someone replaying something, you might want to consider sending a text message chat instead of a snap. Chats cannot be replayed and won't disappear unless you choose to delete them. While you can't turn off the replay feature, Snapchat does notify you when someone takes a screenshot of your snap or replays it. This won't prevent them from replaying it, but at least you will know if someone is replaying your snap or not. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.